Did you know the best time to get your air conditioner or furnace checked is before they break? Today, let's talk about preventative maintenance and the SHASMA difference.
We signed up for the red carpet service because I'm a firm believer in preventive maintenance. I'm a firm believer in establishing business relationships, like personal relationships, that can last for a long time. And I looked into a number of the HVAC suppliers in the area, and I was very impressed with the length of time that SHASMA has been in business. For them to be in business for over 100 years has to mean something when it comes to customer satisfaction and caring for the customer. I would recommend SHASMA to anyone because at the core of it, you know they are servicing you for what is best for you, not so much what's going to give them the most profit. In my case, they actually said, well, we could install this type of furnace or this type of furnace, but I believe this one fits your lifestyle better because we can often be gone for weeks at a time. They care about the customer first, not their profits first.
If you want to learn more about working with this award-winning, nationally recognized contractor, just head to the website and visit shasma.com.